Hey, good morning, fishermen, fisherwomen. This is the Saginaw Bay weather forecast brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood. Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa here. Showing the big picture first, just to give you a lay of the land for the next week or so. 3 storm systems. One is a strong cold front tonight. That picks the winds up tomorrow on colder air. The next one out on the west coast right now will be a pretty robust Alberta clipper Sunday, Monday, and that's a wind maker also. And then that third one is pretty big storm system for later next week. So here is the big picture on this. We'll look at it a little closer in a minute. So the winds pick up today out of the southwest ahead of that strong cold front. It comes through with some rain and snow showers tonight. And then here's that robust Alberta clipper I'm talking about. And note again, by Monday, plenty of isobars, a lot of pressure, a change around the states. So that means wind again. And next week, Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, maybe the winds die down at times. So you could probably get some fishing in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is Thursday afternoon. Something like that, if it came true, would be pretty nice. And then the next storm system comes out of the Rockies. The wind picks up ahead of it. And then, of course, you got the rain and thunderstorms on next weekend and wind and cold behind it. Again, closer look, same model. So as we go through the day, the pressure gradient is increasing out of the southwest and the cold front blows through, and then it's windy and cold tomorrow. Sunday morning, let's go to 8 a.m. Might be pretty decent. Could be a a variable wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And that might last half the day before this next storm system comes in and brings the wind and the cold and snow showers back in. So that model saying through Tuesday we could have 1 to 3 inches of snow. Temperatures will be up and down, and then as we see the early part of April, the first days of April, we see a turnaround. So 50s today, then back to the 30s tomorrow, 40s on Sunday. Sunday with a light wind, cold temperatures in the morning, 20s, 40s in the afternoon. Could be a decent day. Monday cold, Tuesday cold, Wednesday cold. And then Thursday might be a decent day. Lighter winds, temperatures warming up. Friday near 60. Next weekend up and down with that storm system. And I just want to run it out to April 3rd and April 4th for you. We don't really believe that far out, but the notion we get is that the warmth is building in the middle and southern part of the country. So here's the wind forecast. Today, the winds really start to pick up out of the southwest and get pretty nasty, 10 to 20 miles an hour probably. Tomorrow, they go northwesterly and are quite strong. This is Sunday morning, 8 a.m. It's 10 mile an hour wind, and it's turning around to the southeast. So that might be a pretty decent time. Windy for Monday and Tuesday, and then like I said, sometime Tuesday afternoon or Wednesday, the winds lighten up. This is Thursday midday. So you will have some days next week where you get 3 to 6 hour windows to get out there and catch some fish. One last thing for you. This is the European ensemble mode surface temperature anomaly. There's your cold for the weekend. There's your cold for next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There's a little bit of a warm up ahead of the next storm system, and then back to some chilly temperatures on April 1st next weekend. But then note as we go to April 4th and 5th, starting to build in some warmer than normal temperatures widespread. There's your Saginaw Bay weather forecast for Friday, March 21st. I'm meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. This is brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood.